everybody, this is the website boy again with tutorial number 5, and today we're going to be doing our first function. All right, so let's go ahead. For those of you out there that are new to these tutorials, you need to have a co-editor and you need to install WAMP and MAP. So go back to the videos if you haven't done so already. Go back to the series, to the playlist, to the first videos there, and install these tools that we need. All right, in order for you to continue, that you need, because I already have them, right? So anyways, if you want to download the exercise files, you can go ahead and do that in the websiteboy.com/snippets. And I also have the table of content located there. All you have to do is click on the category once you get to the websiteboy.com that you're interested in, and there you go. You have the table of contents, and you can even watch the videos there also. So that's pretty cool. For those of you that want to subscribe, click it right now. Just click that bottom button there that says subscribe, and you will be subscribed to my channel, and you can get an email every time I upload one of the videos, right? That's cool. For those of you that see this thumbs up and like my videos, please don't forget, click it. That way you can actually give me a like and brighten up my day. It really helps. All right, for those of you that already do that and like my videos, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the best. Let's go ahead and let's do some PHP and start our first function. All right, so let's go ahead and do our first function, and let's go to the document root. Double click on that, and here let's open our co-editor, and let's go and let's see. Let's just drag the blank.php in there. Let's do a save as. Call this PHP info. PHP info. Enter. All right, let's minimize that. Let's open a browser window. I have one in another screen, so I'm gonna drag it to this one here. All right, there we go. And let's go to our document root here, which is localhost, and I'm going to click on that function that I just that file that I just made. All right, so this function that we are about to build right now, let's take this off, save. This function that we're about to build right now is a built-in function for PHP. So I'm in my Sublime Text, I'm typing PHP, and tab is gonna make this for me. For some of you, you might have to actually write the whole thing in your co-editor. Now I'm going to actually write my function PHP info parentheses and semicolon. This is how you call a function in PHP. You save it, Command S or Control, not Control S. Well, yes, Control S or Command S, and refresh. And you can see here that it's displaying all this information for us. Now keep in mind that this PHP info function has a lot more code behind it. All we're doing right now is just calling the function. This function is defined somewhere else, meaning that it has a lot more code to produce this information there. So make sure that you know that, right? If you are coming from another language, you know that it's defined somewhere else. That's a function in PHP, and this is how you call it in other programming languages. All right. Now I kind of forgot something when we were configuring PHP in the last tutorial, or the last tutorials. I don't remember how long ago was that, but anyways, let's go and click on find, and we did a display error. I believe that we already have it on twice. Let's actually look for output. This is very important, actually. Output buffering, and it has no value. So let's go check that out in the php.ini. So let's go to the document root again, and let's go to the conf. Let's click on this version, which is my latest version. We learned that from the last tutorial. And let's go to the php.ini, and let's look for output buffering here. Let's do that Command F. Output buffering. Let's find it here, and we can see that it's off. Let's turn that on. We're gonna need that now. I'm not going to explain it right now, but we do need it because we're gonna be doing some functions later on related to output buffering. All right, so we're gonna save it. All right, and we just have to restart our servers to do that, to take effect. Stop, and then we restart it again, and that should be working. All right, so let's go back to that page. Let's minimize all this, and let's minimize this too. Let's go back to this page and refresh. Let's see what happened. All right, we still see no value here. All right, let's go to the other file, bin, and the co-editor here. Let's go to the latest version of PHP, the conf PHP.9. Let's drag that one in there, and let's do the same thing to this file too. Let's see if this one is, and we can see the output buffering is off here. So let's turn it on, save it. All right, come back here and refresh it. It's not going to work because we have to turn this off. So stop your servers again, refresh. All right, and I think it will turn on. It will just not give us a value. Let's see. It does give us a value. Now it's on. All right, so it's in the bin PHP and this latest version and the conf and the php.ini. This is the file that makes it work. Okay, so now we can actually set a value for PHP buffering. Right now it just gives us a value of 1. I want my PHP buffering to actually be a little more than that. So let's actually look for it again. I'm lost because right here, let's put a value of 498 or something like that. 498. Right? We can do that if we wanted to. Put a value, save it, and but for now I'm just gonna leave it on. All right. Later on we are actually, let's just put a value of it. All right. 498 is fine, and let's just save it there, and then let's do the same for this one. Save it. All right, and let's stop our servers and let's start them up again. And let's refresh it, and we see the value here, 498. All right, so now that we said that, we are done with this. Now one thing that I want to actually mention, if we for some reason write something else and mess up this function, remember that we get a error right here. So just wanted you to remember that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like what I did, if you like the video, share it with your friends, tweet it, put it on Facebook, and like the video. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.